Sex in the animal kingdom is straight up insane. From creatures that stab their partners to ones that explode after mating, these 10 facts will blow your mind. And before we get into it, I'm giving away £500 to one of my subscribers. More on that later, but for now, let's dive into the madness. Imagine you only get one shot at love, and the only way to make it happen is to rip off your own penis and send it swimming away on its own. That's what the male argonaut octopus does. He finds a female, detaches his mating arm and lets it deliver sperm, while he drifts off to die alone in the deep. Hyenas are brutal predators, but nature has a sixth sense of humor. Females have a fully functional pseudo-penis, and they have to give birth through it. It's so painful that many first-time mothers lose their cubs before they even get a chance to live. Forget romance. Bedbugs mate with brutal stabbings. The male pierces the female's abdomen with a needle-like penis, injecting sperm straight into her body. She's left with a gaping wound, bleeding internally. If she survives, she lays eggs. If not, well, another female gets her turn. In the world of clownfish, gender is temporary. If the dominant female dies, the largest male transforms into a female, organs and all. That means if Nemo's dad had stuck around, he wouldn't have stayed dad. He would have become mum. Banana slugs have huge penises, sometimes as long as their body. But if things get stuck, the female simply chews it off, and that's it. You'll never mate again. Love hurts, but for banana slugs, it's permanent. Male pregnancy isn't just science fiction, it's real in seahorses. After the female deposits her eggs, the male carries them for weeks until finally he goes into labor and gives birth to hundreds of tiny seahorses. Some male frogs develop mating claws just to hold on to a female for weeks. He won't eat, won't move, just waits for her to lay eggs. Nature's clingiest boyfriend. For male honeybees, mating is literally the end. As soon as he finishes, his genitals explode, leaving him crippled and dying mid-air. And the worst part, the worker bees kick his dead body out of the hive like garbage. In the world of flatworms, nobody wants to be the mum, so instead they engage in penis duels, stabbing each other until one is forced to carry the babies. It's the only species where fatherhood is won through pure sword-fighting skills. Nature is wild, and if you want more crazy facts like this, subscribe now. And remember that £500 I mentioned? I'm giving it away to one lucky subscriber. So hit that button, drop a comment below, and you could win big.